In a quiet clinic, the weight of memory feels like a fog that never clears, and healing begins with gentle natural practices. A teacher named Maya shares a slow recovery through chamomile tea at dusk, mindful breathing, and journaling that traces pain to presence. Weeks into the routine, she names old hurts, adds lavender for sleep, and pairs movement with breath to soften the past's grip. Herbal allies and guided meditation shift impact from overwhelming memory to a calmer, manageable weight. This story shows nature supporting balance as mindful work transforms personal narrative toward growth.